Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to stake your assets on Coinbase app. Coinbase staking is a feature that allows you to earn rewards by holding and supporting the operation of cryptocurrency network. You can stake in various cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and others. By staking your crypto, you can earn interest over time with rates that vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Alright, to stake your asset on the Coinbase app, you tap the Earn tab. Here, you will see your lifetime earnings and the average rate. Below, you will see earning assets that are eligible for staking. Right now, I have ETH or Ethereum, which will let me earn 2.7% APY. When you scroll down, you will see more assets that you can buy and stake in, like USDC, Cosmos, Solana, and more. Let's say I want to stake my Ethereum. The earning rate is 2.7% APY, the unstake period is 12 days, and the earning frequency is 3 days. To stake, just click on Start Earning. Stake to earn up to 9.5% APY. Please note, stake assets can't be traded or transferred. While your assets are staked, they can't be sold, converted, or sent off the Coinbase. Unstaking time can vary. You can trade or transfer your assets immediately after unstaking is complete. And lastly, you earn rewards from the network. They pass along any rewards earned from staking, plus a transparent Coinbase fee. In rare cases, your staked asset may be lost due to network penalties. Click Continue, enter the amount you want to stake, then hit Preview Stake. Once you are fully decided, you just click on Stake Now and proceed with the process. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.